In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage custom dictionaries and exclude words from Spellcheck in PowerPoint. This 5-minute guide will help you customize your Spellcheck settings, ensuring that your presentations look professional and are error-free by recognizing specialized vocabulary or brand names that may not be in a standard dictionary. To begin, launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Whether you're already working on a presentation or starting fresh, go ahead and open an existing PowerPoint file or create a new one. Make sure to add any photos, tables, and other content you need, as we're going to focus on the text elements you want to customize. Once you have your presentation set up, you'll want to specify the language for your existing text. Do this by selecting the text you'd like to configure. Click and drag your cursor to highlight the specific word, text box, or placeholder that requires language settings adjustment. This step ensures that PowerPoint checks spelling according to the correct language rules, which is crucial if you're working with multilingual content. Next, navigate to the File tab, situated in the upper left corner of the screen. Once you're there, scroll down and click on Options. This will open a new window where we can access additional settings for your presentation. In the Options window, look for the Proofing section in the sidebar on the left. This area is where we can customize how PowerPoint manages spelling and grammar. Inside the Proofing section, you'll notice a button labeled Custom Dictionaries. Click this button to open a dialog box that allows you to manage your custom dictionaries. You should see a list of dictionaries available for use, one of which will likely be named Roaming Custom Dic or something similar. This is your main custom dictionary. Select it and then click on Edit Word List. In the Word List window that appears, you can add or remove words from your custom dictionary. To add a new word, simply type it into the Words box and click Add. This feature is perfect for including specialized terms or names unique to your presentation. To remove a word, scroll through the list, click on the word you'd like to delete, and then click Delete. Removing words is useful if you've accidentally added a word you no longer want PowerPoint to recognize. Once you've made all your desired changes, it's time to save them. Click OK on all the open dialog boxes to apply and save your updates. With your customized dictionary settings, PowerPoint will now recognize the newly added words and disregard the ones you removed, ensuring a smoother spell check process for future presentations.